Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is WestPoint twin tub washing machine. Wash cycle is not working. We have to check problem actually what is exactly, but customer telling while washing time this pulse state coming up. Now we have to check what is the exactly problem. After that we can recognize. Now I'm going to show you what is the problem in this machine, and let's see, we will go to the next step. This pulsator while filling water at the same time it's coming up. This is the complaint from the customer. Now we will check, we will see. Now it's already is shaking like that. Sure, this shaft already broken. See, this is the problem. This shaft already coming out from the gear assemble. Now we cannot repair this one. We have to replace the gear assemble. Now first we have to remove this screw also, but we will remove later. Now we have what we can do. We have to remove gear assemble from the tub assemble, and we have to lay down the machine here, and after that very easy to remove the gear assemble, and we will remove the gear assemble, and we will replace the new one. Down the machine, lay down the machine top of the table. Now it is very easy because we have to remove the all the screws from the bottom, because this one not enough space, otherwise no need to remove this one. LG and any other brand, we no need to remove, it is enough space to move our tools. Now but in this situation we cannot move. Because of that we have to remove all the screws. Here not enough space, because of that now I'm going to remove the screws from the tub. Now I already remove all the screws. Now I have to remove the belt. Now we can take it out a little bit here. Now you can see it's very easy to do our job. Now first we have to remove this pulley. After that very easy to remove the clutch assemble, gear assemble. Now I'm going to remove this pulley. Now I try to remove this nut. It is 14 number nut, but it is too much corrosion. Because of that I'm not able to remove this one. Because of that now anyway we cannot use anymore. This one we have to replace. Because of that I'm going to cut this one with the grinder. Otherwise very difficult. Because of that only I'm going to cut this one. Now I already remove the pulley, belt pulley. That one we can use again after replacing gear assemble. Now we can remove the gear assemble here. Now I already remove all the screws. Now we can take it out, gear assemble. Now it came already. Now this is the gear assemble. It's already broken. We cannot repair anymore. We have to replace the new one. Now we will replace the new one and we will check. Now I'm going to replace the new gear assemble. Now we have to remove belt pulley, V belt pulley, because with this one we cannot fix screw here, because of that it's coming together. Now I'm going to remove this one. We can remove like that. This is old one also, if you, we can use, but anyway I'm not going to old one use. Now I'm going to replace this one only. I'm going to fix this one little bit you fix like that. All 6 screws are coming. Now I already mounted. Now after that I can tie it properly. Now I'm going to tie it down one. Now I'm going to fix V-belt pulley. Now it's okay. Now I already fixed tub and fix tub with the body. Now I have to fix the V-belt pulley with the pulley. Now I'm going to fix that one. You can see here. Now I already fixed belt with the motor. You can see here it is okay. Now we can turn like that. Now I have to fix pulsator with the gear assemble. With the gear, first we have to fix this one here. This washer should be here, and after that pulsator we can fix. And we have to tight the screw here. tie it properly. Now we will give the power connections. Now I already given power connection. Now I'm selecting was timer 3 gently. Now you can see it's working properly, no any issue. Now our job is already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.